Hello, this is KE0JLI, back with Coda. Today I'll be programming two repeater frequencies into my Baofeng radio. I am using a software called Chirp. It can be found at http://chirp.danplanet.com. I need a programming cable to go with this, so you can buy it on Amazon. It is a FTDI USB programming cable for my Baofeng I have. It can be found on Amazon for $20. First things first, we need to download from radio. The model has to be the right model, and if it's not inside the model list, you can check on their website and they'll find one that will work for your radio. If you don't use the wrong one, and it will make your radio not work. Okay, cloning. It is cloning from radio. Cloning is where it copies everything from the radio and puts it onto the computer. When we upload it back to the radio, it will clone again and clone it back to the radio. We're doing the same process that we did the radio to the computer, but the computer to the radio. And there, the cloning's done. First, we need to add some more memory slots. I'm going to be programming two new frequencies in, so I'm going to add two. Just refresh. Let's add the first one in. We're going to add one in Rice Lake. It is a city in Wisconsin. I'm going to be traveling through Wisconsin in a little while, so I'm going to program and submit for that. Properties. Click on Properties. You right-click to get into that little window I had there. We're going to write in the Rice Lake one, which is a 70 centimeter. The frequency is 442.1 megahertz. The name I'm going to call it is Wisconsin is the W. Rice LK. Okay. And its tone mode is tone. And the tone is 110.9. There's no tone squelch, but I'm going to put 110.9 just because it is the same. That duplex is plus, and it is plus 5.0 or 5 megahertz. We need power mode high because I have 3 power radio. And there we go. Okay. And there it is. You can see it down there. Now let's add in the 2 meter or 144 megahertz one. Right click, Properties. Okay. This is 147.0450 megahertz. Name, this is in Baronet, so I'm going to call it Wisconsin, which is the W, Baronet. Tone mode is going to be tone again. The tone is the same because it's in the same state. It won't always be like that in some states, but Wisconsin has it with these it might be the county too or something like that. The duplex is minus, and it is minus 600 kilohertz. Power, again, is high. Okay. They're both in there. And now the most important part. Uploading to the radio. You make sure it's the same as before. And press OK. It will clone. As we said earlier, cloning is copying all of this stuff here and putting it on my Baofeng or whatever radio you have. It's almost done. After the cloning is done, you'll want to turn off your radio and turn it on after the cloning is done, I said. Make sure it's after the cloning is done. To reset it, and then check if the frequencies are in there. I'm going to do that now. And we have success. Both of them are in there. Okay, that's all I have for today. This is KE0JLI signing off.